Assalamu alaikum LGS students. I hope you're all fine, feeling well, and I also hope that you are having good time at your home regarding this COVID-19 situation. Let's hope that school will open soon and we will resume our education further from our school. Okay, so I'm your teacher, Father Rasul. This is week 3 class. Our subject is computer and the page number is 8 and 9. Okay, today we are going to discuss our first topic, that is hardware and software. Now, first of all, the basic difference between hardware and software is the one which you can touch, that is your hardware, and the one which you cannot touch, that is your software. Like you can touch mouse, you can touch keyboard, you can touch the CPU, you can touch the motherboard, you can touch the RAM, ROM, scanner, printer. All these are your hardware devices. Okay, the one which you can touch, that is your hardware device, and then the one the one which you cannot touch, that is your software device. uh, Basically hardware is a electrical and mechanical part of computer. It's all part that make up the computer, like monitor, the motherboard, the chips, etc. All right, the one which we can touch and through which our computer is made. Now the second one is software is a collection of all programs that are installed on computer. These are programs that you need in order to operate your computer, such as operating system or application that you need to be able to work, like Microsoft Word or Adobe Photoshop. Okay, basically what is software? Software is the one which you cannot touch. Like you can see this screen. This software is software. Okay, this MS Excel, MS Word, this uTorrent, everything, these are the software, and I cannot touch these files. Okay, I cannot touch these files, so these are the softwares. So softwares are the one which we cannot touch. Okay, like I'm making your lecture through this OBS Studio. This is also the software. I cannot touch the software. Okay, so this is the one which we cannot touch. These are the hardware devices. Okay, now let's move on to our second topic, that is our main parts of computer. Basically, the main parts of the computer is in order to be functional, a computer needs to be specific parts of hardware: a motherboard, RAM, CPU, hard disk, device, whatever you need. Okay, so the main parts of the computer are through. Without that, we cannot operate our computer. Basically, there are four main parts of computer. Okay, there are four main parts of the computer. The first one is CPU, the second one is monitor, the third one is keyboard, and the fourth one is mouse. Okay, CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. These are the four main parts of computer, and others are the only the parts of the computer. Like so many people will say, sir, that motherboard is the main part of computer, RAM, ROM, 3D card, whatever. Always remember that these are the parts of computer, and they exist within a CPU. Okay, they exist within a CPU. That is why only CPU, and CPU means all the parts: motherboard, RAM, ROM, uh, chips, whatever you say. Okay, these all comes within a CPU. So that is why only CPU is the main part of computer, and keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. Move towards the next thing, that basically CPU, our central processing unit. It consists of two parts. There are two parts of CPU. The first one is ALU and the second one is CU. Basically, ALU is arithmetical logical unit. Arithmetical logical unit means uh, through which we can do our mathematical operation. Like you can see the screen, and suppose I want to minimize this. Minimize. Okay. So how much time it take? How can we calculate the time of minimization and maximize. So the timing, the mathematical calculation, whatever it exists within a computer, that comes in the arithmetical logical unit. And the next one is control unit. Now what is control unit? Control unit, let's suppose I open this computer properties, and then through which we will go to the device manager, and in device manager we will see the drivers, we will see the parts of the computer like battery, computer, disk drive, everything it is controlled within a computer. The control, everything is under control. Like this computer, it has a adapter keyboard, it has the standard PS2 keyboard, so everything is controlled just because of the control unit. So that is why our CPU is divided into, it consists of two parts. The first one is CPU and the second one is ALU. Okay. Now a motherboard is the main circuit of the computer, which all parts are connected to. With the motherboard we connect all the parts, like our hard disk is connected to motherboard, our RAM is connected to motherboard, our ROM is connected to motherboard, everything is connected to motherboard. That is why we call it a motherboard. Okay, then the central processing unit. Central processing unit, the CPU, it is called the brain of computer. Okay, it is called the brain of computer. Everything is calculated within CPU, everything is operated within a CPU, everything is done without CPU. Computer is nothing, so that is why we call it the brain of the computer. All right, so this is your first class, and I hope everything is clear to you all. Okay, then we'll come to the page number. Okay, that is 9. Page number 9. So everything is done. So I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Even if you have got any type of query, you can ask your coordinator or me, and I will answer in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.